We found this beautiful city park here in Pueblo. It's right by the Arkansa River. Isn't this beautiful? A lot of people fish here. There's a dock. Yeah, and there's a hiking trail there. Seth and I are gonna take the dogs. Right, Moo-moo? You wanna go for a walkie poo? Yes. Alright, let me, come back here. Good girl. Are you ready?
Yep. The question is, are you ready?
I'm always ready.
That's not true.
Smells like fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does smell like fish. It's beautiful though.
That kid asked me if I was filming.
What kid?
That kid.
Oh.
No, I'm just dumping my camera in the water, you know? That's a cool shot, by the way. If you
Don't
were to
fall
stick
in,
it
Luna.
down by the river.
Right. So this leads out to the water. It's so beautiful here. It's a perfect time of day. Careful, Moo-moo. It's a small pond here that's separate from the water. You can see the reflection of the trees. That is so beautiful. Pueblo Peace Garden. There doesn't seem to be much of a garden. I guess it's a rock garden.
Yeah, but it's a very peaceful garden.
Welcome to the beautiful rock garden. No plants. It does have some paths over here though. Some rock paths. Not sure exactly what that's supposed to be. Some kind of seating. Seth is already taking the paths. This is cute. I like it. I guess it just goes around in a little circle. Okay, Moo-moo, wrong way. Let's go this way. What'd you find, Moo-moo, huh? So this is a cool bench. It's a mosaic tile bench. That's pretty neat. Alright, well, the sun is getting ready to go down. It is Terry's birthday today, so I do want to take them out for dinner, and so she can enjoy a nice birthday dinner. We can't be walking that long because it's almost 8 o'clock, and I think the restaurant closes at 9, so let's continue on. Well, this is 1.2 miles to the kayak park. There's 1.2 miles to the Riverwalk, which we were at the other day eating, and then 5.6 to the Nature Center. There's another sign, Riverwalk again, El Centro Rec Center, 2.1 miles, and CSU Pueblo, 6 miles. Adopt a trail, the next 1 mile. So here's the Pueblo trail system that Seth was talking about. It does go through the whole town. Oh my God, look at that view. Isn't that amazing? So the path crosses over the river here. There's kind of like a land bridge.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Ooh, look at this. I love running water. Wow, that sunset is freaking awesome. Awesome! I love this path. It's a really neat path. And it's cement. Cement. Look at all those mosquitoes. They're everywhere. Look, Moo-moo, it's Love Mama.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you.
That's so neat. What do they call those? Those mazes?
It's a peace walk, though.
A peace walk?
It's not a maze. It's supposed to be a
But
walk.
it's like, no, it's like a maze though. That's cool. It's got one of those motor scooters.
Motor scooter.
Yeah. Oh, lady.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Are you ready to go to dinner?
I'm ready to go to dinner.
All right, we need to leave now because I think they close at 9. So I think that's when they take the last table is at 9.
It's 8:30. We can go somewhere else.
We're gonna go to Black Eyed Peas, but they were closing down in 15 minutes, and Golden Corral was our option. And plus, you know, it's all you can eat. Can't beat that. So, yep, this is where we are. Look at my food. I guess one night's okay to eat like this.
Perfect plate.
I had to fix me a salad too. What'd you get? Oh my goodness, you did go meat crazy, didn't you?
Meat crazy.
They have deviled eggs. Where were those?
Right there. There's
I
like
have to
3
go
left.
get some. Oh, looky.
Salad. Yummy. Thank you, Aja.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I didn't see the mashed potato. That was a good choice. Meatloaf with cheese sauce.
And I'll be
You
taking
want
care of
one?
you guys tonight, so if you
You
guys
want
have
one?
any questions, let me know, okay?
Oh, thank you so much. So this is my 3rd plate. I went ahead and fixed all my plates. I got deviled eggs. I left one for Seth. It looks so good.
Wouldn't it?
Yeah. So I couldn't finish everything. I'm so stuffed. Can't even finish most of my salad. Ugh.
You guys ready?
I had to leave room for dessert. Okay, now,
Got a birthday cupcake.
she got a birthday cupcake. What is it, though?
I don't know what that is. I
It's a
didn't
mystery
read it.
surprise.
It's a mystery.
Mystery.
Mystery cake.
We need a candle to go right in there.
You need a whole lot more than one candle.
I'm just saying that'll fit that.
Try some of that.
That's supposed to be what?
Pulled pork.
Oh yeah, because I didn't put the
It has
sauce on mine.
Try it with the sauce.
Mine was kind of dry.
Try it with the sauce.
I can't eat
Try it
anymore.
with, don't video it. Try it with the
No,
sauce.
I can't eat anymore. I'm like, I need to save room for dessert. That's it. I'm done.
I'm like, try it with the sauce. She's like, okay, let me grab my camera.
England, right? No,
Yeah.
what is it?
I don't know. I know they do something.
Control of, like, where they're going. Like,
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't know.
All I know
Yeah.
is
I don't
it's
know.
the- It's the only bridge in the United States they allow to
I wouldn't either. If you see the bridge and how far down it is, you probably yeah. So this is my last plate, and I'm getting some. I got some dessert. Brownie, chocolate cake, chocolate covered cookie, and banana pudding. That's not what you were supposed to do.
What was I supposed to do?
I thought you were gonna put it in the camera.
I did put it in camera.
No, I wasn't recording yet. Oh well. Okay, that's Psycho Seth.
I need to hide behind like a shower curtain.
It was good.
Did you get full?
I got very full.
I got 2 full.
You should have gotten 2 full.
I know.
Yes, you
4
should.
plates
I had
later.
2 plates.
Go get your ice cream.
Oh, but Scotty got me another
Cupcake.
cupcake.
Aw.
So I'm gonna, we're
That one's
gonna
gonna-
sneak that out.
Oh, that looks
The
good.
perfect
Soft
meal
serve.
finisher. It's the perfect meal finisher.
I got him out, Aja.
You can't take the chocolate. You look at your arm. On your
What?
arm.
You
Oh my god. You can't take the chocolate out.
Take the chocolate away
I
from the
got
girl.
my 2
That
cupcakes.
Did you get your cupcake?
I got my cupcake.
They let her have them since it was her birthday. Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aja.
You're welcome. Love you.
Thank you. Yay.
Okay,
You
back.
wanna hold the 2
Oh my
cupcakes
god,
in
I
one
can't
hand.
do it no more.
How fast I went through there, like, oh my God.
Can't do it.
I
Can't
don't
do
think
it.
I'm gonna make it home.
Good thing you don't have to drive.
Yeah, don't Golden Corral and drive.
How upset would she be if I just
Probably really
ate
upset.
her birthday cupcakes?
I see you're holding her cupcakes.
I am too. I won't touch them.
Yes, be good.
Oh,
Better come get your cupcakes, lady.
But I got him one too. That's
Ah.
why
there's no way I can eat one.
Oh, I'm so
I am
stuffed.
too full. I know.